Hi, thanks for coming back to view my second video blog. My name is Debbie Cruzel. I am a licensed realtor in Massachusetts and New Hampshire. I work for Keller Williams Realty in Andover and Dracut. And I am a persistent, proactive, well-educated agent who wants to get all the information that you need to you in order to make a good decision regarding your situation and the problem that you might be having with your bank. So I want to remind you that I am not an attorney and I am not an accountant. I do have those people on my team, and we will be asking them to answer any of the questions that you have in order to make a decision to move forward or while we're still doing the process of a short sale. So today I want to tell you a little story, and that is that about a month ago I was showing a property in Haverhill, Massachusetts, and I kept thinking, like, why is this property so familiar to me? You just couldn't figure it out. And then it hit me that I had gotten a phone call from the person who had owned the property. They had some questions, and they were trying to work with the bank on a loan modification, so they just need some questions answered. And then I lost track of them, and now I know that their loan modification didn't work, and they have a foreclosure on their record. I don't know why this happened to them. Maybe they didn't realize that the loan modification was taking so long and that the foreclosure date got scheduled. Maybe they didn't know who to trust. Maybe they're just so overwhelmed with their whole situation that they didn't know what to do. This doesn't have to happen to you. There are hundreds of thousands of people right now in the United States who are having difficulties, and they're working with their banks to successfully have a short sale done or a loan modification in order to avoid foreclosure. The important thing is that you're here now, you're getting the information that you need in order to make a decision for yourself. Why am I qualified to give you this information? I've been working with a lot of homeowners over the last couple of years. We've sold a lot of short sales, and in my office of 75 agents, I am the short sale expert. That's what I've been doing. And I have homeowners who are calling me. I have agents that are calling me, maybe with a buyer or even with a seller, that just need a little bit extra information that they're not able to get somewhere else. You can call me too. My phone number is right here, 603-318-6953. Like I said, I work in New Hampshire and Massachusetts, and that's my cell phone, so you can get a hold of me very quickly. So today what we're going to talk about is the eligibility. So if you have had any of these hardships, then the bank is most likely going to be working with you. These aren't all the hardships that the bank accepts. I just have a limited space. So if you've had a divorce, or you're separated from your mate, you've had a job loss, there's been an increase in your rate for your mortgage, you've had a business failure, your tenant doesn't pay on time, you've had a cut in your pay, or you've been unable to sell, any of those are hardships that the bank is working with right now across the country with people. In addition to that information, the bank is going to want to see your financials. So they're going to ask you for 2 years of tax returns. They're going to ask you for 3 months of bank statements of all the bank accounts that you have, and 4 weeks of your pay stubs. And they'll also ask you to fill out a financial worksheet that shows the money that's coming in and the money that's being spent every month. Once you have all of that information, we'll send it off to the bank, and we'll find out, do you qualify for a loan modification, or is it a short sale that you're choosing to do? Again, in the last video, I talked about loan modifications. If you have had maybe a job loss, and you used to make $50,000, but now you're only making $25,000, most likely you're not going to qualify for a loan modification. Don't let that happen to you, like that homeowner in Haverhill who was waiting, and then they had a foreclosure on your record. If you have recovered from your your hardship, maybe a loan modification is the way that's best for you to go. So I hope that this information that I've given you is helping you to make a decision. The people that I've worked with over the last couple of years have told me that they just feel a great weight lifted off their shoulders when they make a decision and move forward, whether it's a bankruptcy or a short sale or even a foreclosure. Whatever you finally decide and you start moving in that direction, you're going to feel a lot better. At least that's what people tell me. So if you need to talk to me or you're ready to start working with me, again, my number is 603-318-6953. And I thank you for coming here to view this information. There's a couple more videos coming along, and of course that information on my blog. I wish you good luck in making a decision, and hopefully it's not going to take a year with the bank. Hopefully it'll take about 6 months, maybe a little bit more. Good luck. Thank you.